If you're here, you're probably curious about the new iQOO Z9s Pro, especially after seeing the hype around it as a top gaming phone in the budget segment. Well, I've been using this phone for 5 days straight, and I've got some thoughts to share, both the good and the not so good. So, let's dive right in. Let's get one thing out of the way: ads and notifications. From the moment I unboxed and set up the iQOO Z9s Pro, I noticed an overwhelming number of ads and notifications. They pop up frequently, and it's a bit frustrating, especially when you're just starting to explore the device. This is something to be aware of if you're considering this phone. Now, let's talk about the design. The iQOO Z9s Pro sports a typical camera module with dual cameras and a ring light. The glass back and metal frame give it a premium feel, despite its budget pricing. It's slim, especially considering it packs a hefty 5500 mAh battery. Weighing around 186 to 187 grams, the phone is comfortable to hold, but you might find it a bit wide if you have smaller hands. The curved display edges add a touch of elegance, making it look and feel more expensive than it is. The display on the iQOO Z9s Pro is a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's bright, with peak brightness hitting 4500 nits, which is great for outdoor use. I tested it under direct sunlight, and the visibility was impressive. The bezels are minimal, and the overall viewing experience is smooth. Whether you're watching YouTube videos or playing games, the colors pop, and there's no noticeable lag or stuttering even when streaming 4K HDR content. Performance is where the iQOO Z9s Pro really shines. It's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm process, coupled with LPDDR4X RAM. In benchmarks like Geekbench and AnTuTu, it scores over 810,000, which is impressive for this price range. But what do these numbers mean in real life? Well, in my usage, whether it was multitasking or gaming, the phone handled everything like a champ. No heating issues, even after a 10-minute 4K recording test, and no signs of CPU throttling. The storage performance, thanks to UFS 2.2, is also decent, with read-write speeds consistently staying below 1000 MB/s. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: gaming. The iQOO Z9s Pro allows you to game at 60 FPS with HD graphics settings. I played several titles, and the experience was smooth, with no frame drops or stuttering. The phone didn't overheat, and the dedicated gaming mode lets you tweak settings for an even better experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or someone who spends hours on mobile gaming, this phone won't disappoint. Moving on to the cameras, the iQOO Z9s Pro features a dual camera setup on the rear, a 50MP main sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. The front houses a 16MP selfie camera. In good lighting conditions, the photos are decent, but when you zoom in, you'll notice a lack of detail. The colors are vibrant, but the sharpness could be better. The ultra-wide camera tends to slightly alter colors, which might be noticeable in some shots. As for low light performance, the rear camera does a better job than the front, but you'll still see some noise in the images. Portraits have a nice bokeh effect, but again, details are where this phone struggles. So, after 5 days of using the iQOO Z9s Pro, what's the verdict? If you're looking for a budget-friendly gaming phone with a great display, strong performance, and decent battery life, this could be the one for you. However, if camera quality and a clean software experience are your top priorities, you might want to consider other options. But for the price of 21,999 Indian rupees, It's hard to beat what the iQOO Z9s Pro offers. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the iQOO Z9s Pro, or if there's another phone you'd like me to review. Until next time, take care, and happy gaming.